Students brought their cookie decorating skills as women in STEM and the International Student Cultural Organization teamed up to host a Science of Baking night.
Tonight, I really wanted to show people that cooking and baking is science.
They kicked the night off with a short presentation, then students went straight to making their own icing and decorating their cookies.
I made a globe for ISCO. I already ate some of it. It was really good. It was surprisingly good for how easy it was to make.
Students used precise measurements to create their icing from scratch. This was to showcase how science and baking go hand in hand.
Measurements are essential in both science and baking, and that's kind of what I wanted to integrate into today.
This event served as a way for ISCO and Women in STEM to help students build connections through a fun and educational activity.
They learned about different desserts. They played the game about learning new flags, and I think it just brought everyone together in unison, and I think that's the most beautiful part of it.
I think it's important for two very different clubs to come together and get, each demographic of what they bring to the table to mingle.
After decorating their cookies, students were free to eat them. Sarah Campbell, Troy, TrojanVision News.